Mistrobin Hazarta. Tattir Manu Mantidon Hazan Sobar. Samanda Robza. Darhis Hiker Dan Zeroza. Ganda. Kanda!
Why have you disturbed our sleep? Awakened us from our ancient slumber. You will die! Like the others before you. One by one we will face you. All of you will be like me. And then who will lock you up in a cellar? I'm all right now! Come on, I can take me out! I'm all right now! If this is your channel! I don't know what I would have done if I had remained on those hot coals, burning my pretty flesh.
Look, I'm getting out. I don't care what happens to her. She's your girlfriend. You take care of her. I'm getting the hell out of here right now.
It's not going to let us leave. Cheryl was right. We're all going to die here.
I don't want to die. You're not going to leave me here, are you? Are you, Ed? Killer cat. Lover boy.
You bastard! Why are you torturing me like this? Why?
You like,